A warranty agreement is a critical document for protecting the rights of both sellers and buyers, ensuring clarity and trust in transactions involving products or services. This legal agreement guarantees remedies if the product fails to meet specific conditions and outlines the seller's obligations regarding repair, replacement, or maintenance. A well-drafted warranty agreement prevents disputes and fosters confidence in the product. Key elements of a warranty agreement are: first, definitions. Clearly define terms such as product, warranty period, and repair to avoid ambiguity. Second, warranty coverage. Specify what the warranty includes, such as defects in materials or workmanship, and the remedies available, e.g., repair or replacement. Third, exclusions and limitations. Outline what is not covered, such as damage from misuse or unauthorized repairs. Fourth, warranty period. Clearly state the start and end dates of the warranty and conditions for replacements or repairs. Fifth, claim procedure. Provide detailed steps for customers to make claims, including required documentation and contact information. Sixth, repair or replacement process. Describe how the company will handle defective products, ensuring transparency in the process. Seventh, limitations of liability. Limit the company's liability to repair or replacement, protecting against excessive claims. Eighth, governing law and dispute resolution. Specify the governing jurisdiction and the process for resolving disputes, such as arbitration. Ninth, transferability. Address whether the warranty can be transferred to subsequent owners. 10th, entire agreement clause. Ensure the warranty agreement is the sole document governing the terms, overriding prior understandings. Now let's discuss steps to create a warranty agreement. First, identify the product and warranty type. Specify the product covered and the warranty type, e.g., express, implied, or extended. Second, draft key clauses. Tailor the essential clauses to suit the product and business needs. Third, consult legal counsel. Ensure compliance with relevant laws and adequate protection of business interests. Fourth, communicate the warranty. Clearly communicate the terms to customers, providing a written copy at purchase. Fifth, implement a claim process. Set up an efficient system for handling claims to ensure customer satisfaction. Finally, benefits of a comprehensive warranty agreement. A detailed warranty agreement minimizes disputes, clarifies customer expectations, and builds trust in the product. By clearly defining the seller's obligations and the buyer's rights, it protects both parties and ensures a smoother post-sale process. In conclusion, a well-structured warranty agreement is essential for any business offering products or services. Including all critical clauses and ensuring clarity in communication creates a legally sound and customer-friendly document, fostering long-term trust and satisfaction.